Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can clean your URLs from the product page. So basically if you have multiple variants, for example color variant, size variant or any other name of the variant, so in the URL you will find out that when we are switching the variants, then we only see the variant ID. So instead of variant ID, we can also display the name of the variant name. For example, we have red color, so red color will be displayed in the URL. And in the same way, if we have a specific size with specific color, so both size and color names will be displayed in the URL. And this is more user friendly and SEO friendly also. So let me show you step by step that how you can do it into your Shopify store by simply adding some code, and that's it. Here you can see that this is my collection page. So let's say I am choosing this product, so let me click on it, and here you can see that we have multiple color swatches, and on the top you can see this is the main URL. When we are switching to any other color, so you can see that at the top we have variant equals to variant ID, and in the same way if we are choosing any other color, so variant ID is updated. For example, I am choosing yellow, so here the variant ID is updated according to the swatch color. So in the same way, if we have size also, so the variant ID will remain different for each single variant. So let me show you how we can actually add the names of the variants in our URL. Firstly, you should go back to the dashboard of your Shopify store, and here you can see that I have installed Dawn theme. If you have any other free theme or paid theme, so this code will be applicable for that. You should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme first, so that you should have a backup of this original theme version. Once you duplicate it, then again click on these three dots and click on edit code. Here in this screen you can see that we have multiple folders and files. So what we are going to do here is we are going to click on sections, and you already know that we are dealing with the main product page. So scroll all the way down, and here we have main-product.liquid, and you can see that we have the code of this main-product.liquid file. So at the bottom we are going to paste a code which is this one. So I have already given the link below in the description, so you just need to copy this code and paste it at the bottom of this file, and then save the changes. Once you saved these changes, then you should go back again here. Let's say I'm going back to my home page, then again clicking on bestsellers, and if I'm scrolling down you can see that we have this product earlier chosen, and let's say I'm choosing this color. And now you can see that we have in the URL /red color name, and if I'm choosing navy, then you can see that we have navy color in that URL. And if I'm choosing yellow, so here we have yellow color. So same way if I am going back and choosing something else, for example I have another product, for example this one, so you can see that we have multiple colors. So if I'm choosing olive, so you can see that we have the URL and /olive. So if you have size, then also you will see that size will be displayed attached with this color name. So this way you are actually making your store more user friendly, and if you are copying this URL, so this is much more cleaner than before. All right, so let's say I'm updating one more small thing here. So I'm going to the products, and let's say I am adding one for example I am adding one size variant. So let's say I am adding another option, click on add another option, and here is the size. So let's say I'm choosing medium, and then I am also choosing small, and that's it. Now we have two more sizes. Let me save the changes, and let's say how it will reflect in the front end. So let me go back here in the home page, and let's say I'm going to bestsellers, and let me click on this product which I was testing, and you can see that we have for example I'm choosing red color, so you can see red-medium. If I'm choosing navy, you can see navy-medium, and if I'm choosing yellow, then this one. And if I'm choosing small, so you can see that yellow-small, and same way yellow-small, red-small, and then blue-small. So that means we can actually add all the variant names into the URL instead of variant ID. If you're facing any issues, then definitely you can ask me. I have already created a lot of other videos with useful information. So here you can see that in the previous video I created a wave. I also created in another video this 3D collection slider. I will be adding the link below in the description, so you can go through this, and if you are thinking you need this, you can actually use this code also. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel, also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.